Hey, what's up guys? Josh here with Yugatech, and much like smartphones, laptops come in a bunch of different specs and prices depending on what you're looking for. We have your entry-level laptops, perfect for basic day-to-day use. We have more powerful ones that are more suited for editing and maybe some casual gaming. And then you have something like this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the MSI GS66 Stealth, powered by Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q design.
Now, if you guys are looking for a crazy solid laptop, especially since 'tis the season to upgrade, you might want to stick around to find out more.
Now let's not waste any more time and let's get on with it.
Alright, so first off, the GS66 Stealth is one of MSI's high-end gaming laptops currently in the market and features Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q design, paired with Intel's 10th gen Comic Lake processors.
Now, of course, this is complemented with a whole bunch of other powerful components, which we'll get to in a moment. But generally speaking, the GS66 Stealth upholds a very minimalist aesthetic, which I'm sure a lot of people are going to appreciate, including myself. Now, this comes in a core black aluminum chassis that looks sharp, but at the same time has slightly curved edges for a more elegant look. I mean, just imagine how good this is going to look while working in a coffee shop, as opposed to some dinosaur-looking machine that screams out, "I'm a gamer." Totally not stealth. Moving forward, the matte-like finish isn't 100% finger and smudge proof, but still does a great job so long as your hands are not too oily. The MSI logo has been given a similar treatment as well, and is just an overall sleek-looking guy. Exhaust and ports can be found on the sides, and it's safe to say most of what you need is going to be here. On the left, that's a barrel charging port, Thunderbolt 3, HDMI, and a USB Type-A Gen 2 port. On the right, we have your combo audio port, USB-C port, two USB Type-A Gen 2 ports, and an Ethernet port as well. Opening the lid shows your full-sized PerKey RGB keyboard. And if you're familiar with MSI, then the SteelSeries logo shouldn't catch you by surprise. In this case, we have the SteelSeries Engine 3 software, and comes with a handful of control options and customizability with 16.8 million colors to pick from, although you can shuffle through the 8 pre-configured profiles if you want. Typing feels nice, and the island-style layout makes it evenly spaced for a seamless experience. Apart from being able to customize each key, it's also well lit, and the Spider-Man theme-looking font can easily be seen, especially at night. We even have this button here that busts out the fan to maximum for performance mode. More on that later. At 4.6 pounds, you might imagine it to be quite hefty, but it's actually quite lighter than most gaming laptops in this category. And we're going to have to give it to MSI for still being able to chuck in a generous 99.9 watt-hour battery, all while maintaining a compact size of 14.2 by 9.9 inches and a thickness of just 0.7 inches or 7.8 centimeters, making for quite a portable machine. Another highlight of the MSI GS66 is its 15.6-inch Full HD resolution panel, which is still normal enough to have nowadays. What makes this commendable though is that we're getting a super smooth refresh rate of up to 300 Hz, which is more than double of the increasingly common 144 Hz displays we normally see, and 5 times more than a normal 60 Hz monitor. And right above is your 720p webcam with Windows Hello support. As for audio, the speaker grills provide some decent quality thanks to their high-res audio. You can also share the laptop's sound to 2 connected Bluetooth devices using dynamic sharing, which is pretty cool as well. So, as mentioned earlier, the MSI GS66 Stealth is packed with a very respectable set of features. There's the unit that we have now, which is powered by an Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q design and uses an Intel Core i7-10875H CPU. There's also a slightly lower but still solid Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060 with an Intel Core i7-10750H processor. I mean, those specs alone are more than enough to handle just about anything you throw at it with flying colors. AAA title games run smoothly at high or even ultra graphics, which look amazing when combined with the high refresh rate of the display. We were also able to try out ray tracing with Minecraft, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and even Cyberpunk 2077. And man, apart from the smooth gameplay, we just can't get enough of those nice reflections and shadows as well. And I get it, a lot of people who look into getting a gamer laptop would prefer it not to run like your toaster in the kitchen, so we do have this dedicated button over here that turns your fans on maximum overdrive to keep things cool. Inside, you can find MSI's Cooler Boost Trinity, which has 3 fans and 7 heat pipes to handle the RTX Nvidia GPU and 10th gen CPUs. The MSI GS66 Stealth is priced at 164,995 pesos for the RTX 2070 with Max-Q design, while the slightly lower RTX 2060 variant is going to be priced at 144,995 pesos. A little pricey, but given what we're getting in the package, everything seems to check out. And a laptop that's capable of blending in either a work or gaming environment without even trying is just going to give you the best of both worlds, so this is definitely worth adding to your wish list. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit Yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.